Inventing can look a lot like you're just messing around with stuff. You try something, it doesn't work, so you try something else. Here at Mystery Science, we tried a lot of things when we were inventing Bobby droppers. We thought this one was a failure. When Isabel dropped it with the pin pointing down, it fell even faster than the Fall Fast. We'll call that version 1, an epic failure. But failure gives us a chance to try again. Pointing the bobby pin down didn't work, so we decided to point it sideways. We'll call this version 2. We looked at version 1 and version 2 at the same time. Version 2 moved from side to side as it fell. And it fell slower. Nice. We wondered what we could do to make it even better. There are a lot of possibilities, and there's no one right answer. We decided to try turning the paper's sideways movement into more of a swoop, like the swoop of a paper airplane. Version 3, our jet plane dropper, didn't fall down straight like version 1. We couldn't tell if it was flying or just fluttering like in version 2. We talked with each other about what other changes we could try to make that might make it fly better. Isabel noticed that a floating feather has lots of thin strips or fringes that could move separately. So she made version 4, which has thin strips like a feather at the back. Wow, the fringed version really moved. But it also really crashed. Not what we had in mind. So far, it's looking like version 2 is probably the best one for Bobby. But we're still experimenting. Once we start inventing, we have a hard time stopping. We like to see what happens, especially when we get a failure. Have fun, stay curious, and always try to learn from your failures.